Fetch AI at the time of this recording continues to hold within our key area of support between the 0.637 and the 0.743. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons as to why I believe there's a chance that we can easily see a breakout to the upside in the next coming hours, giving you my minimum breakout target areas, and above all, discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. Getting a 10% deposit bonus on all deposits above 500 USDT on BTCC, and you can get the same if you create a BTCC account today using the link on my bio and make a deposit of more than 500 USDT. And allow me to start by giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made in October 2023, where we started a very impulsive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479. And that impulsive bounce to the upside gave us a high in the formation of these additive count 1. And having picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using that blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from our bear market lows to the highs above the 3.479, where you can see that my minimum target area lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.88, and that is between the 0.595 and the 1.843, an area that we have not fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and on the long term, Fetch AI will give us a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of these additive count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that gives me a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 5.935. Then we can expect a pullback in the formation of these additive count 4, then continue pushing higher to new all-time highs in the formation of that additive count 5. And that can only play out as long as we continue holding within this blue target area. And a break to the lower side of this blue target area will now be invalidating this additive structure over here in this 1-2 setup, and also increase the chances of seeing a massive breakdown move in a move that can easily give us a reset of the bear market lows. But as long as we are holding within this area, expect a massive bounce in the formation of that additive count 3. And in the formation of that additive count 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure also playing out, having the wave 5 completing and also giving us a high in the formation of these additive count 3 above the 5.9. So on the lower time frames, we should be able to identify a 5 wave structure to the upper side, and I believe there's a chance that we have such a scenario here on the 4-hour chart from the lows we made on the 3rd of Feb, where you can see that we first peaked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1, giving us a high above the 0.883. And after we peaked impulsively in that wave 1, we started a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using that blue target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And you can see the area lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, an area that we have not fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of that wave 2, and a bounce in the formation of this wave 3 is now imminent, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, we get a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 1.146. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in the formation of that additive count 5. We also need to have a worst case scenario in mind, If by any chance we don't see the bulls pushing the price even higher, giving us a break above the significant swing high we made above the 0.886, if that doesn't play out and we continue pushing lower back into this yellow target area, we need to see fetch AI holding within the yellow target area and a break out of this yellow target area to the lower side. Then there's a very high chance that we are first going to get a reset of the lows we made on the 3rd of Feb below the 0.597, and the moment that plays out, an even more bearish case scenario can unfold where we can continue pushing lower in a move that can easily give us a reset of the bear market lows. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting fetch AI to follow for the next coming days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.